Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about India's first pure green hydrogen plant, which is there in Jorhat. Okay. First, let us see what is this green hydrogen. Actually, we have three types of hydrogen. One is grey hydrogen, second one is blue hydrogen, and third one is green hydrogen. In grey hydrogen, they are known as grey hydrogen because in this hydrogen are produced using fossil fuels and they have carbon dioxide as the byproduct. Actually, we are using this hydrogen for transportation and also for the chemical industries as a fuel. Okay, expecting that this is a better fuel compared to the fossil fuels as this is less polluting agent. Okay, but in the process of production of hydrogen, they are using fossil fuel. So we cannot say that this is a complete clean fuel. Even though when we are using hydrogen, we can say that hydrogen as a fuel is not a pollutant, but the process used for producing this hydrogen is not completely clean as they are using fossil fuels for the production of hydrogen, and also they have carbon dioxide as one of the byproduct. Okay, so because of this two reason they are known as grey hydrogen. And next one is blue hydrogen. This is comparatively better than the grey hydrogen because in this they are using fossil for the production of hydrogen and also there is carbon dioxide as the byproduct. But in this the carbon dioxide produced are captured and stored and is not allowed to enter into the atmosphere. Okay, so this is not completely as bad as grey hydrogen. So this is known as blue hydrogen. So difference between blue and grey hydrogen is that in blue hydrogen they are capturing the byproduct carbon dioxide and is stored. Okay, so completely better than the grey hydrogen. Next is the green hydrogen. In this green hydrogen, instead of fossil fuels, we are using renewable energy like solar and wind energy for the production of hydrogen. In the process of production, they are doing electrolysis of water. In this, we will be having oxygen and hydrogen as the byproduct. Okay, H2O will be split into hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, and in that hydrogen will be used as fuel for the transportation and the chemical industries, and no other pollutants are produced in the process of electrolysis or in the process of production of hydrogen. So this is completely clean compared to, not compared to, actually this is clean. Okay, so this is known as green hydrogen. Okay, and in the news I told you that a completely pure green hydrogen plant is set up in Jorhat. Jorhat is in Assam, and this plant is commissioned by Oil India Limited. Okay, and they are using AEM technology for the production of green hydrogen in this plant. AEM technology means the expansion is anion exchange membrane electrolyzer array. Actually, we have a lot of things to learn in this anion exchange membrane electrolysis array or AEM technology, but for our exam point of view, we do not have to learn all those things as all these things are a little complicated. We have to learn only this kind of superficial things. Okay, so let us learn or focus only on that, and this will be producing only 10 kg per day. This has the capacity of 10 kg per day, and later they will be increasing the capacity based on the need. Actually, at the present, the focus is or the trend is on the electric vehicle, and in the future, we may have a trend for this hydrogen vehicles also. In Assam, they are using this hydrogen for the bus for public transportation system, and later sometime we may see cars and motorcycles using this hydrogen as a fuel. Okay, so they are using AEM technology and is commissioned by Oil India Limited. So if we are looking at the benefit of this green hydrogen plant, we can see that we will be able to reduce the use of fossil fuel by using this green hydrogen plant, because during the production of hydrogen they are using renewable energy like wind or solar energy. So there is no need of fossil fuel during the production of hydrogen. And also this hydrogen is used in the transportation and the chemical industries, where earlier they used to use fossil fuels. So there will be alarming reduction in the use of fossil fuels by the setup of this green hydrogen plant. Okay, and when there is a reduction in the fossil fuels and we have this hydrogen as fuel for the transportation and chemical industries, we will be having energy independence, because at present we are importing all the fossil fuels needed for the country. So we will be having energy independence, as well as we will be reducing our import of fuels. Okay, which will definitely give a favorable trade balance for the country, because we are using most of our fund, or our import consists of most of the part of our import is the fossil fuels. Okay, I mean petroleum, etc. Then it will also promote Atmanirbhar Bharat, because we are manufacturing this in India itself, so which will help us to become independent in terms of fossil fuels. Okay, so these are the benefits of this green hydrogen plant in India, and I think they will be increasing the production, and we will be more focused towards the use of this hydrogen used vehicles, etc. So that's all about the topic. Thank you.